Welcome to the charity art exhibition in aid of Imara. All proceeds will go to Imara, empowering children and young people to recover from the impact of sexual abuse. I'd like to introduce you to Marek Tobolewski, CIA auctioneer for Contemporary Art Auction. He's here at the Nottingham Society of Artists exhibition, giving a walkthrough and talking about the artworks at the show that will all be auctioned in aid of Imara.
Christine Harrison, Moonlight Hits the Road. Acrylic on canvas, 61 by 61, 2018. Claire Davis. Claire lives by the River Thames, spends most of her days drawing and looking after her two dogs. Chris Francis, Flora. Floral watercolour painting on paper, framed. Craig Proud, Ode to Gromit. 3-colour isograph and screen print. Fee Burke, all relative. Framed print. This image was created from one of her flowerscape installations. Sometimes she works in beds of flower, creating her versions of Zen gardens. Fee Burke, Cant Horizon, framed. This work has a reserve of £45. Fee Burke, set of 3 limited edition prints, editioned to 50. Malabar Fro, Tree Rivers, Malabar. All framed. These have a reserve price of £125. Jude McKenna, Flow, oil painting, framed. Jude lives in the Cotswolds and works in the tradition of landscape painting. Jude's work is a celebration of beauty of landscape and leaves each piece to be interpreted by the viewer. Nick Heddarty, Evening Sky, Edgelands. Mixed media on paper, framed. Nick loves to find beauty in urban Edgeland spaces along paths, usually on his bike, especially as the day turns to night. Rita Mitchell, Aboriginal Journey, painting, framed. Painted after visiting Australia and influenced by the Aboriginal arts. Tom Down, Study for Nomad, oil on paper. Tom Hooley, a series of 5 framed biro drawings from 2017.